Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's April 10th and Wednesday morning. The markets overnight were very quiet, narrow trading ranges in corn and soybeans, wheat. Traders seem to be getting prepared and positioned for the USDA report that's going to be released here at 11 o'clock this morning. Some of the trade averages are 824 on corn ending stocks, 137 on soybean ending stocks, and 751 for the wheat ending stocks for this year. So those are going to be key numbers to watch. The other thing we'll be watching South American production. A lot of news and talk here in recent weeks about corn production, soybean production in Brazil and Argentina. Overnight, Oil World expressed concern over the Argentina crop, and if it really is as big as they think. That is going to be a focus here as well today on the USDA report. In the corn, however, the point that we want to make is that feels like the trade is expecting less than their average estimate of 824, just simply because a year ago the USDA gave us an 810 ending stocks on this report, and corn was trading between 630 and 640. Right now we're above the 640 area. We're currently around 645 in the nearby contract. So looks like a little bit of a bias there to the a friendlier number. Rain across the upper Midwest, giving plenty of moisture there. Now the trade is concerned about will and when will the planters start to roll. There's some open weather forecasted here for the next week or so in southern Corn Belt, the Ohio River Valley. So it's going to, once the trade is done massaging the report, they will be focusing on what the weather is going to be like and how soon will we get this corn planted. We should get some planting estimates from USDA and next week, so that'll be a focus as well. Other news overnight, China did announce their soybean imports for March, down 20% from a year ago. It was higher than what they had in February, however, but still a much lower number than what was and should be expected. So the open interest here at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange for soybeans on yesterday's rally was down 12,000 contracts. Corn open interest was down 4,000 contracts. So looks like some position evening here ahead of the USDA report. The weather and cold temperatures in Texas has got wheat traders concerned. There has been some teens, mid to low teens, as far as the panhandle of Texas here overnight. So we'll take some time to see what the real damage is on the wheat crop. In the livestock trade, choice beef up 46, select up 56, and pork cutout values were just slightly changed, up 1 cent. The concern we have in the livestock trade is still the demand for product. We are coming up to a strong seasonal in cattle where prices move lower now into the June time frame, and that is going to be battled against some much tighter cattle supplies, market-ready cattle, and supplies of cattle that were placed in late 2012 will now be coming to market. So we've got a tug of war there. We'll see if we can get any improvement in demand to help out that price situation. Outside markets are relatively quiet, a little bit of pressure being applied on commodities. Some of the gold, silver, and crude oil is under a bit of pressure here this morning, but pretty much a quiet trade. So the big focus will be the USDA report here at 11 o'clock. We do have an ethanol production report coming out at 9:30, however, so we'll monitor that as well. Reasons to stay in touch with Allendale's research, and we wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.